Hello everyone, let's see how you can fix the error application was unable to start correctly. Okay, so first don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel and follow this tutorial step by step and you will fix this issue. The first thing you need to do is to open your Google Chrome or your any browser and search for Visual C Runtime AIO, which means all in one. Click on this link and go to here and click on download here, then select the server, and after the file is downloaded, click on it and extract the file. After extracting it, you will see this file install_all. You need to run this file as administrator and keep your calm, be patient. It will install all of the packages for you, and once everything is complete, you just need to restart your system. Once the system is restarted, the error should be fixed. And if this video helped you, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe the channel.